Hi everyone, this is Stephanie Thomas of the Sales Tax Sisters and Thomas and Thomas PC. Today we are going to talk about different rules in different jurisdictions and how you need to know the rules of the jurisdiction in which you are conducting business. You know what's next. Hit the music. Hi everyone, thanks again for finding us. Today we are going to talk about the different rules and in different jurisdictions and how it's important as business owners for you to understand the jurisdictions or rules on where you conduct business. So, a lot of times you have businesses that start off relatively small. Congratulations to you, where you are focused on the business that you conduct in one state. But as you grow and expand, you can conduct business in various different states. And when I say conduct business, I mean you have customers in different states, presence in different states physically. That we touch on a lot in the Nexus series, which I am going to link that series for you in case you're interested in finding out about economic nexus and physical nexus. But for now, we're going to focus on making sure that you have a plan when you expand different offerings and expand into different jurisdictions, because what may be taxable in one jurisdiction may not be taxable in the other. And so you need to know that before you start making sales into various different jurisdictions. For example, we're going to take something simple like shipping charges. Here in Texas, the taxability of the shipping charges follows the taxability of the item that is being sold. So if you are selling something that is taxable here and you ship it to a location here, then in Texas, then the shipping charges associated with that taxable item are going to be taxable. If, for example, you sell something that is not taxable here and you have shipping charges associated with that item, non-taxable item, then those charges are not going to be taxable to your customer. So, like I said, the taxability of the shipping charges follows the taxability of the item that you're selling, and that is applicable here in Texas. You have other jurisdictions where the taxability of the item being sold is irrelevant. It does not affect the taxability of the shipping and handling charges. And you have jurisdictions where they treat shipping charges differently than handling charges. I can't think of the one it's tickling my brain, but I can't think of which state that is, where they actually they have a different definition for shipping, a different definition for handling, and they go through the taxability treatment of shipping versus handling. And it has absolutely nothing to do with the taxability of the item that is being shipped. The bottom line is, and we always like to bottom line it here. The bottom line is, when you're making sales into various jurisdictions, you need to understand the applicable sales and use tax rules in that jurisdiction and the rules that affect you specifically in the business that you are in. If you're dealing with a lot of shipping charges and things like that, you need to know what is the appropriate taxability treatment for those charges, because that can add up, especially over a 3 to 4 year period. And that is your tax tip. God, that was longer than I thought it was going to be. If you liked what you saw, please thumb us up. We love comments as well. And if you like, subscribe. We'd love to have you. And you can also subscribe to our monthly newsletter. I will put the link in for you as well. And please follow us. We're trying to grow, people. We're trying to grow. So please follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Insta. We also have a Pinterest account as well, which has lovely quizzes. I'm going to have a video about that. So a couple quizzes so far about whether or not you need help with your audit, as well as about completing your sales and use tax return. So interesting stuff, people. And as always, have a wonderful day. We appreciate that you found us. And I guess that's it.